So I'm in my car at the moment. It is a Ford Focus. My Passat died on me, so I've no longer got that. I'm using my OBD dongle down here. That's plugged in to the OBD port. And there's an app called Rev Headz. I'll put a link to it down below, or just show you a screenshot now. And then on there, you can choose different cars. So there's a starter pack, which is free. I don't know if you can see that, starter pack's free. And you can pay for different packs as well. But starter pack is the one I'm using just for the purpose of this video. You can choose different cars. Ferrari, AM V12 GT3, V50Z, motorbikes, chainsaw, 1.3 rotary, V8 100, whatever that is. Let's go for Ferrari. So what the OBD port dongle does is monitoring the speed, my throttle input, and the revs. You can change it and modify it how you want. So at the moment I've just got it on the revs. And you can adjust also your red line. So if you're in a diesel car, you're not redlining around to 8,000, you probably blow up your engine. So I've set my red line to just like 2.5, maybe 3,000, just for the purpose of this video. And you can have different sound effects come through your speakers. So I'm gonna drive with the Ferrari 458. Let's see how that sounds. There you go. And if I just rev the engine, let's go for a V12. Let's try something else. Motorbike, the V8 Mustang, is that? I'm not sure. Can you hear that? I think we should do a drive-by of this one. Might try and set my camera up somewhere in this car park. So I don't know what that video looked like, but probably couldn't hear it. You could probably turn it up a lot louder and then be a bit more obvious what's going on. But there was a guy in a car opposite I was watching, and it was proper awkward because I had to set my camera up on this funny little pole thing here and then get out again. Or I don't know, might be doing that again. There's this car, so a 350Z I think it was. Put my volume on 15 and give it a little rev. Got some little back pops. So if you just want to have a little bit of a laugh with your mates, put up outside the house or something, and you can have this like going along. It might sound quite funny. They'll be like, what on earth's going on there? So, don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna go back to my yard. Back to my garage and fit these. I've got a shelf to put up. So yeah, bit of a random one. But yeah, I thought I'd chuck it on out there and see what you think of it. So yeah, hope you like this video. And if you do, check out the app. I'll put a link to it in the description. And if you also like this phone holder, I'll set a link to that as well. I bought this one because boom, done, and it's not obstructing my view, so yeah, pretty decent. Hope that helps you, and see you in the next video. Cheers, bye bye bye.